Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn short Independence Day speech. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I feel honored to speak on the occasion of India's Independence Day. Every year on 15th August we celebrate the day when India became free from British rule in 1947 after a long and courageous struggle. We remember and pay tribute to the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and countless others who sacrificed their lives for our nation. Our national flag, the Tiranga, is a symbol of courage, peace, unity and progress. As responsible citizens, we should always respect our flag, our constitution and our country. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, being honest, helping others, protecting the environment and respecting everyone. Let us work together to make India stronger, cleaner and more developed. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.